So I didn't realize there was a 15-minute cap on my videos. Anyway, I was showing you if you wanted to be fancy, you can go to the customize theme, and to choose a header, you can choose image. Now Google gives you some that are automatically loaded in there, so you can pick any of those, or you can upload your own. So say we wanted to do like pictures of our kids, or a picture you found on Google that you downloaded to your computer. You can push browse and pick your own, but for now I'm just going to, pick one that's already in there. Push insert, and then it changes the whole aesthetic of your quiz. So you have a nice header on the top. You can pick your theme color, which is the section colors. And it also changes your background color too. So you can pick whatever one you want, or you can add your own. And then you can choose the background color. You can pick it darker, lighter, but this one does kind of match whatever you pick for the theme color. I also like to move the font to playful, because the A's are written the way that they write their A's rather than the other way, which is in the basic, but you could pick whichever one you want. I like choosing playful. So once you're done with that, just push the X, and again, if you would like to see what this looks like, you can push the eyeball for preview, and that shows you what the kids see. Alright. Okay, also a refresher on how to attach this to Google Classroom. You can go into Create, push Assignment. You're going to title your assignment, so I'm going to put Graphing Lesson and Quiz. Put instructions, watch the video in the quiz before taking the quiz, or I guess before answering the questions would be better. Okay, and then you're going to push Add from Google Drive. It'll probably be in your recents because we just made it. If you can't find it there, you can push My Drive and go through all the folders, or you can push a search. I'm just going to go to recents since it's there. Make sure that this is turned on because we want it to grade import for us. You do not want to go in and grade them one at a time. You want Google to do it for you. So push grade importing. And then over here, I'm going to make sure it has all the right stuff. Grade category is math. I remember that it is out of 10 points. The due date, whenever you want it done. Let's say this is going to be done Thursday. The topic is math. This helps to organize their Google Classroom a little bit, so it's not all chaotic. They can see, okay, these are the math things that I need to do. These are the phonics things, etc. Now, if you are doing this ahead of time, and you want it to come out on the day that it is assigned, you're going to push schedule, which is that arrow next to assign, and then you're going to pick the date. And I like to put it at 6 a.m. because it's nice and early. You don't have to worry about missing anybody. And then you push schedule. I'm not going to push schedule because I don't want to actually push this out to our students. Then, once you schedule it, that screen will go away, and you can scroll down to your math assignment, your math heading, and you'll see that it's right there, Graphing Lesson and Quiz. Mine is just a draft because I've not scheduled it, but yours will say schedule for April 16th. And then that is it. And then Google does the rest. It'll grade it for you, and voila. If you have any other questions, just let me know.